everybody, welcome back to my studio. You're new here, welcome. I actually have some new and exciting news for all of you. So I've actually been cooking up a little something with Retrieve Technologies. I've talked to a number of you and I've heard that you really want more out of your sewing learning process without having to spend tons of money on a course or going to school like I did, but you don't necessarily have to do that to become a good sewer. And so I'm really excited about these guides that I've made with Retrieve Technologies. They've been able to help me compile a whole bunch of my best tutorials into 3 different guides. So I have an alteration guide, a denim guide, and a dresses and blouses guide. So what are these guides? If you've watched a lot of my content, you'll know that I pack a ton of information into each of my videos. I kind of can't help myself. It's very hard for me to cut out detail. So this Retrieve technology is going to help you access all of that knowledge in a much more user-friendly way. Each of these videos have been transcribed, so you don't even have to wade through all of that footage. You can click on a video, skim through the transcript, and click on a word and it will bring you exactly to that point in the video. Also, if English is not your first language, I have all of this translated into French and Spanish. You can actually hear the tutorial in your language. I know there's a whole lot more languages out there in this world, so adding more languages is definitely a possibility. Just let me know in the comments. The hands down best part about this guide is the highly searchable aspect of it. You can just speak to the guide and ask it a question. For instance, how do I create bias binding? And the AI technology will bring up all of the places I've mentioned bias binding in order of relevance. So you don't even have to wade through multiple different videos. You can find all of the best information just by asking. I know, it's awesome. Another cool thing about this is that you can actually message me directly with your in-depth sewing questions. I get a lot of questions via Instagram or YouTube comments, and I can't always answer them in depth. So for only $1.99, you can actually message me directly with more in-depth sewing questions, and I'll be able to give you a priority answer via text, photo, voice message, or even video. So you may be asking me, how much does this cost, Lydia? I don't want to break the bank. I actually started sewing because I wanted to save money, so that's why I keep everything affordable for you guys. It's only $5.99 for one guide. If you want all 3, you can get them for $10.99. And I'm actually throwing in my Milkmaid Dress Pattern. So I think it's a pretty good bargain. So if this sounds like something that could help you level up your sewing game, then you can access it through the link below. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!